Hi guys, welcome to codeartisanlab. This is video number 28 for gym management system in Django. And in this video, we are going to implement these four things. The first thing is we will add the validity field in submodel plan. Okay, in the models we didn't add the validity. Okay, we need this validity field because I want to show the expiry date of the current package. If user subscribe the package, then we need to show the expiry date. If we are showing the pricing in the pricing page, we are showing the per month. Okay, so according to the validity, we will show this. We will change this. Whatever the validity days or years, whatever the we will add the actually we will add the validity in days. Okay, so what we will do, we will add here the days. Okay, and the second thing is, if some member is subscribed for the specific plan, then we will reduce the capacity. Okay, we are already adding the, if you see in the package, if you see in the plan, let's open the models. Okay, and let's open the sub plan. Here you can see that maximum number. Okay, so we will minus subtract the maximum number. Okay, from the subscribed the user from the total, and we will minus the subscribed user, and we will show the result. Okay, this is the second task. And the third task is we will show the expiry date, like I have explained you that why we are adding the validity field, so that we can show the, here we will show the expiry date. Okay, and the third thing is we will rename the models. Okay, from the actually, when you go to the dashboard, and here we have a models. Okay, so here you can see that this is banners, this double S, and in the this notify user status, so that we can change the name of the model. We can see that how we can change that. We will see that how we can change this. Okay, so these are the four things that we are going to do in this video. Okay, so let's start with the first one, validity field. So I will go to the models, and here we have a sub plan, and here I will add validity, or you can say simply validity days. Okay, so here we will add the integer field. Okay, and let's add this null true, because we have already added this model, and we need this to add default null value. Okay, because we have submitted the plans. Okay, so let's migrate this. Py manage.py make migrations. Okay, and py manage.py migrate. Okay, so here we have migrated. Now let's go to the, so we have here, let's go to the subplans. We need to run the server, manage.py run server. Okay, and let's refresh the page. So we have subplans. Now what I will do, I will go to the advanced, and here I will add the validity days like 360, not 365, I will say 30. Okay, 30 days. And for the medium, I will say also 30 days, and in the basic I will say 30. Okay, so these are the things. Now we will also show this validity in the model list. Okay, so I will open this and go to the sub plan, and here I will show title, price, max number, highlight status. Before this I will say validity days. Okay, and refresh the page. So here we have a validity days. Okay, 30, 30, 30. Now we will show this. We will show this here. Okay, in the pricing, we will show this here. Let's go to the pricing page. Manage main templates pricing, and this is per month. So I'll say plan dot validity days, and I'll say days. Okay, so this is say 150 per 30 days, 150 per 30 days, 150 per 30 days. Okay, we can convert this in a month. Okay, so this is a small task for you, that you just practice and learn that how we can convert these days into month. Okay, and add your answer in the comment. Okay, so I will see that how you have done this. Okay, and honestly, you can just be honest to write the answer. Okay. Okay, so we have completed the first task. Okay, now let's go to the second task, that we need to subtract the members. Okay, so if user is logged in, then we will reduce the number of members. Okay, so that user can, whenever user want to subscribe the package, then he can see that how many members can be registered. And we will also disable this button in two conditions. If the first condition is if user is logged in and purchase the plan, then we will remove the previous plan, disable the previous plan. Like if someone is purchased the advance, then we will remove the basic and we can remove the medium. Okay, and the second thing, if the member capacity is full, then we will also disable this plan. Okay, so in two conditions we will implement this functionality, not in this video but in the upcoming video we will do that. Okay, and one thing more coming in my mind, that we can, okay, let's do in the upcoming videos we will do that. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so so we need to, what we need to do, we need to first the first thing, we need to open the views.py file, and here we will count the total registered members. Okay, so I'll word wrap this, and where is the pricing? So this is the pricing, and we will count the total subscriptions. Okay, so let's go to the, so here we have subscription, subscriber, create subscriber, subscription. I'll search the subscription, and here we need to count the subscription according to the current user, according to user, total user. We will count the all subscriptions actually according to the package. Yeah, according to the package. Yes. So we are adding the plan here. You can see that. Okay, fine. So let's go to the where it is. Okay. So let's count this. Okay, so let's show here that how many members can apply now. Okay, after reducing the registered member. So for this we will go to the views.py file, and here what I will do here, we are fetching the plans. Okay, we are fetching the plans, and from every plan, when we are adding the subscription. Okay, so when we are adding the subscription, then we are adding the plan as a foreign key. Okay, so we need to count the total subscription of the particular plan. Okay, so Django provides us some special methods to do this. So let's see how we can do that. So the first thing, I will import some method from the django.db.models. Okay, what I will import, I will import count. Okay, and after that, from importing count, now I will annotate this. Okay, so what is the meaning of annotate? It will run the specific operation of every object of the subplan. Okay, so we are fetching the all objects, and on the every object we want some condition, that I want to count the total, let's say total members equal to count, and I will count from subscription, okay, and ID. Okay, so here I'm adding the subscription ID. From the subscription I'm counting the ID. Okay, so total, it means it will count the total subscription of this particular, when we are fetching the total of, when we are fetching the all objects, so it will run every object, annotate will run every object, and from the every object it will count the subscription. From the every object of the sub plan it will count the all subscription. Okay, so let's see that. So we can I have counted and add in this total member. So I will just, what I will do, total members, here I will add. Okay, let's see the, so this will be plan dot total members. So when I will refresh this, it is showing here, you can see that. Okay, so it is showing here. Now what I will do here, I will just simply minus the, this maximum number minus the, that price. Okay, okay, so here what we will do, Django provides us a simple template filter tag. Here we will add and we will provide the value. Okay, so this will be value, that is plan dot total members. Okay, and when we refresh this page, we have add requires two argument, one is provided. Actually what we need to do here, I will simply add here. Okay, I will simply add here. Okay, so here what we need to do, when I add the minus sign, if you add 10 here, then it will subtract the value. If you go to the pricing, then it will subtract the value here. But if you adding the variable, if you are adding the variable, if you add the variable, then it will not work, because it will not accept the minus sign in the front of variable. So it will work for the add only. So how we can subtract the value, now the question is this. Okay, so we have two ways. Either we can create the, tag, custom tag filter, or we can use the math filter package. Okay, so Django math filters. Okay, simply we will use this Django math filters. Okay, so we will install this here. Okay, so what is the benefit of installing this? We can simply just load this filter. Okay, and then we can add, subtract, multiply, whatever we want to do with the simple things. Okay, let's say you can perform any arithmetic system. Okay, okay, so the first thing we need to install this, so it has been installed, and we need to add in our installed apps. Okay, so I will open the, so where it is, we will go to the here settings, and here we need to add what it is, math filters. Okay, math filters, and then we need to load this in our pricing page. So before this I will load math filters, and now this is now very simple, the things are very simple, sub, and we just provide the value. Okay, so let's go to template, and here we will refresh the page. Actually we need to run the server, manage.py. Okay, so I just want to show you everything, that how we can subtract the variable from variable. Okay, so here you can see that now it is 49 member capacity, because one is registered. So we have completed our this task, second task. Now let's show the expiry date. This should be date. Now let's show the expiry date in the user dashboard. Okay, so let's go to the user dashboard. We will open the user dashboard. Okay, and here we will show the, let's go to user dashboard, and here we will show the expiry date. So this is the price, and let's show expire on. Okay, Okay, so here we will show this, refresh the page. Here we will show the expiry. Okay, so for showing the expiry date, we need something that we need to change in the subscription model. In the subscription model, we need to add the subscribe date. Okay, so that we can add the package days into the subscribe date, and then we will show the expiry date. Okay, so let's say plan, or you can say register date, reg date. Okay, and this will be model start date field. You can simply say date field. Okay, and default we will add, so add now equal to true. Okay, and by default we will add null, because we have already added data in this model. So let's go to here. So py manage.py run server. Oh, we need to run actually migration. Py make migrations. Okay, and then migrate. Here we have. Okay, now we can see the result. Py run server, and we have this. And let's go to the admin, and we have plans, subplan. Okay, and let's change this. So save this, and we will open this and just simply save this. Okay, okay, fine. So now what we need to do, I will just show the date. Okay, in the admin I just want to show the date. So simply we will go to here, and in the models we will reg date. Actually we are watching in the wrong place. This should be in subscription, not in the reg date. Okay, so we will go to the subscriptions. Okay, what it is, nothing, subscription. So it is 17 August. Okay, admin basic and all the things. Okay, now we will add the package days into the subscribed date, and then we can show the expiry. Okay, I hope you understand what I want to say and what I want to do. Okay, so now we will add the days to the subscribed date, and we can show the expiry date. So let's show the expiry date here. Okay, so we will go to the user dashboard function. Okay, and here now we are going to do something with dates. So we need some function, some special date time function. So I will import some function from the Python. So from date time import time delta. Okay, so what it is, time delta? Time delta is used to manipulate the date, or you can find the difference between the dates, or whatever you want to do with the dates you can do with the time delta function. Okay, so here we have where the dashboard is. Okay, so here is the dashboard. So what we need to do, we need to add the days, add the planned date into the subscribed date. Okay, planned days. Okay, validity, actually, well, we want to add the validity days into the subscribed date. So here we have a plan. Okay, so now what we will do, so end date equal to dot current plan dot this is the subscription. So current plan dot reg date plus time delta days equal to days equal to, what we need to do, we have a plan. Here is a, this is the current plan. From the current plan, this is the subscription, and from the subscription we can get the plan validity. So plan dot, sorry, plan dot, so current plan dot, because in the subscription we are adding the foreign key plan. Okay, so from the plan we can get the where it is, we can get the validity days. Okay, so validity days. Now we can pass the here, pass the end date here. Okay, and let's show the end date. So currently it is, let's show first, let's show reg date, and here I will add expiry date. Let's do some space. Okay, refresh the page. So here it is, expiry date is August 17. This is the purchase date actually. Let's say purchase date, purchase date. Okay, this is purchase date. Now we can show the expiry date, expiry date, and this will be end date. Okay, refresh the page here. So here you can see that we have some days, we have added the days, 30 days. So it is showing the September 16 2021. Okay, so we have implemented our third task. Now we have a task that we need to modify that, that we need to modify the models. So how we can do that? So I will not modify all the models, I will just show you the method, and you need to modify all the models according to your choice. Okay, and of course I will modify models and update that, but I just want to I just want to say you that practice that how we can modify that. Okay, so I will go to class, I will create a class meta, class meta here, and here we will add verbose name plural. Okay, and this will be our banners. Okay, actually it is adding the s with the whatever the model name is. Okay, this is banner, so I will go to the dashboard. So here you can see that we have now single s. Okay, and we can say notify user status. So I'll go to the, I'll copy this, notify, notify user status. So I'll just simply create class meta here, and I will say notification status. Okay, and refresh the page. So here we have, actually it is restarting. So notification status. Okay, so similarly you can do for whatever you want to do. Okay, you can do the things. Okay, so we have implemented our all tasks. Okay, there are lots of small things in this video, but we have implemented, and that is the important things. Okay, because small things makes our project perfect, and makes our knowledge improve our knowledge. Okay, so now it's time to say that thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe, share, like this video. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, then please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel, and I will request to share this video or this channel as much as you can if you really like this. Okay, if you are not like this, I hope you will like this all the channels and videos. Okay, if you have any suggestion or anything for me, then please add in the comment section. Okay, and I'm also adding the Django quiz for the, for to just I want to increase your knowledge and improvisations. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.